Hi everyone! Telegram is an incredible messaging app that offers a wide range of functions. If you are someone who uses Telegram for communication and wants to organize your life without relying on additional tools, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to watch it till the end and discover the most valuable tips. Most likely, you know that Telegram has a feature called Saved Messages that allows you to quickly jot down important information. However, there is an even more efficient and organized way to manage your notes. The idea is to utilize private Telegram channels as a dedicated space for storing your notes, bookmarks, thoughts, and much more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a private channel. Click the button located in the upper right corner, select New Channel from the options, click on Create Channel, enter the desired channel name and press Next. Choose the channel type as private. Press Next twice to proceed. Your private channel is now created. On Android, the process is very similar and follows the same steps. Once the channel is created, you can start posting content there. Treat each message as an individual note or thought. You can pin the channel to the top of your dialog list, making it readily available whenever you open Telegram. Alternatively, you can add the channel to a separate folder for further organization. I utilize private channels for various purposes, including note-taking, capturing valuable thoughts and ideas, bookmarking. Why do I prefer using Telegram channels instead of specialized apps? The main reason is that Telegram provides the utmost convenience for storing private content in the form of a timeline. In note-taking apps, you typically need to create individual notes, assign them titles, and organize them into a specific structure. Moreover, the search function in these apps often falls short of expectations. In Telegram, I can simply send a message without worrying about organizing the content. However, finding specific information later on may not always be straightforward. Nevertheless, there are some tips that can make the process easier. Utilizing hashtags, avoiding storing unnecessary and temporary content in this channel, using search by documents and images, creating multiple channels for different purposes. I have a primary default channel that serves as a catch-all for various types of content. If I am unsure where to save a particular piece of information, I use this channel. However, I also maintain additional channels that are more specialized and focused on specific topics or purposes. Here are some bonus tips for users of private Telegram channels. You can store files of up to 2 GB in size and up to 4 GB with the Telegram Premium. You can send audio and video messages. And the third, you can add another person as an admin to the channel, creating a shared space for notes and to-dos. This can be particularly useful if you want to maintain a shared shopping list with your partner or collaborate on various tasks without relying on third-party apps. Indeed, Telegram is an incredible tool that goes beyond messaging and can be effectively used even for organizing thoughts and ideas. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.